We're back now with Angie Horkin from the Wisconsin Beef Council, and May is Beef Month, and what better way to celebrate than with some burgers?
Exactly, and it's National Burger Month.
Oh my gosh, all of my favorites in one.
I know, it's just great. I love May. So, okay, so this month I want to do smash burgers.
All right.
I've rarely made those like on TV, kind of showing them. We're always grilling because we love being outside.
It's that time of the year.
It's that time of year. But now smash burgers, you don't need the grill. Like one of those, the real nice outdoor griddles works perfect. You can do a whole bunch. I just like using my heavy bottom skillet.
Okay.
Cast iron pan is perfect too. It's kind of heavy for me to travel with. So I just use this. And I got a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in your heating. You want a really nice hot skillet to do the smash burgers. They cook really fast.
All right.
Versus your traditional burger because you flatten them. So, usually my burgers, I think I set a timer like 4 or 5 minutes aside. These only take a couple minutes aside.
Awesome.
So, this burger is called the Birria Smashburgers.
Yum.
Birria tacos.
Yep.
That we love. That's kind of so trendy, so popular. We took that and we turned it into a smash burger. So I've just got a little white onion in here, and I'm going to put my burgers in, and then I'm going to talk about what's in them.
Yum.
Because these guys are already loaded with flavor. So the nice hot skillet, and then you take them and you make these balls. So you don't make patties. So this is 1 pound of ground beef, and I actually used a little bit higher fat content. I used the 85-15.
Makes the burger extra good.
Yeah,
why not?
Right? So put them in, give them a little bit. Now, in the burger, I already have some more onion. I've got some fresh cilantro. I've got smoked paprika, cumin, a little salt and pepper, and then the sauce from the chipotle pepper in adobo.
Ooh.
So a tablespoon of that.
Yes.
So if do you like spicy?
I do. A little bit of a bite. It's always good.
We're going to have a little bit of bite for you. Okay, so let these just kind of smash them down. I used my little spatula. It's not very...
So that's where the smash comes from.
So I do some leverage. Okay, so then really let them go a minute or two at home. Give them a flip. Get that nice, they already got a really nice sear.
Oh, yum, yeah.
Now, Birria consomme. Made this ahead of time.
That's the secret?
It's good. This is the Birria. So in here, I have dried guajillo chilies and dried ancho chilies. Just put them in a little hot water, 10 minutes. And they kind of come back to life. Seed them, because that'd be really hot. And then throw them in a food processor or your blender. Okay. And just kind of process them up. Put them in your like a stock pot or a large saucepan. Some garlic, some more onion, a little vegetable oil, some cinnamon, which is a little different.
Oh, that's different.
Some garlic, some Mexican oregano. Then you got tomato paste in here, and then 2 cups of beef broth.
Oh, wow. That's a mixture.
Tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Kind of a lot of ingredients, but a lot of it's kind of pantry staples, other than those dried chili peppers. But look around. I found them in the supermarket. So now I've got toasted brioche buns. These guys are looking good. Put a little cheese on. Yeah, like 4 minutes total. It's depending on how well you smash them. They're done, and then I try to scoop up some of those grilled onions in there.
Oh, those look delicious.
You can always cover it, let your cheese melt. Due to the sake of time, we are going to plate these up. Then we can we'll drizzle a little bit of the Birria consomme over the top. I'm going to shut this down. We'll drizzle this. Then you can always top with some pickled onion I got here, some cilantro.
Oh, that looks so good.
That's going to be a good one. Yeah. So
nice and juicy.
Nice and juicy. Perfect for Beef Month. Birria Smashburgers. Beeftips.com is the Wisconsin Beef Council website. Click right on As Seen on TV page like we always do. And give them a try. For Beef Month. Let's get our
Look at that.
We're going to do a little more onion on here. We're
going to be making people so hungry at home today.
So kind of a fancy upscale smash burger. Definitely give it a try. Especially if you like that hot, spicy Birria flavors. You will love this.
Perfect for Beef Month. Perfect for Burger Month. Perfect for Wisconsin. We could go all day.
We could go all day.
All right, Angie. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Good stuff today once again.